1 Corinthians
Hey, bring that on
10
in.
and 12. Wherefore, let him that thinketh he standeth take heed lest he fall. That's what the brother was speaking of earlier. So if you think that you're standing, take an inventory of yourself lest ye fall. Take an inventory of yourself.
We got to constantly do. We have to constantly do that.
Checks and balances.
Because remember, brother, we in this flesh. You could slip and moonwalk backwards very easy in this setup. Yep. That's why we always got to check ourselves.
And not even realize you.
Exactly.
And not even realize it.
Exactly. That's why we got to continue. And that's why it's important to be around the brotherhood. We always emphasize that. Well, the scriptures emphasize that. Forsaking not the assembly of the brotherhood, man. Be with those that be like thee. All right? In the same mind frame. You hang around these gutter assholes out here, you're going to start moonwalking, shuffling right along with them. You know? Especially the times that we in. Try to really, even if whoever you know in the world, whatever, just minimize that shit to the utmost, man. Because the closer we're getting, remember, Satan is as a roaring lion right now. He's out there, right now, Satan is out here like a wildcat, man. Like a lion, like a wild lion, seeking who we may devour. We're living in that time, you know?